welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with the new ColourPop X Zoella collection. She came out with a very cute brunch date palette that I created this eye look with, and I also use all ColourPop products today on my face. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, then keep on watching.
So I actually did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to be starting with the Glossier Priming Moisturizer to prep my face for foundation. Today I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Foundation in light number 50, and I'm just going to dot this evenly all over my face to make sure I have an even coverage. And I'm going to be using a flat top kabuki brush to start buffing it into my skin. And I think this color is really nice. It matches my skin pretty well. It has a warm undertone. Now I'm going to set my foundation with the sheer pressed powder in the color Light. And I do like this powder. I think it is really lightweight enough to wear all day long. And now I'm going to take the Brunch Date palette. The packaging is just so cute and adorable, and the color setup is very nice too. And first I'm going to use the pressed powder to use as a base on my lid, and I'm going to go in with maple syrup and start putting this on my crease. I'm starting in the outer corner and I'm slowly working my way in towards the middle. And in the meantime, I'm starting to make that V winged shape as well. Next, I'm taking the color French Toast and I'm going to start working this in my outer corner. And same thing, I'm going to start on the outer edge and slowly work it towards the middle and in the same V wing shape as well. And now I'm going to use that gorgeous blue color Brunch Club that I've been dying to use. And I'm going to pop this into my outer V. Look how gorgeous that color is. And I'm going to start perfecting the wing shape that I'm going for this eye look. And I'm slowly going to start blending this toward the middle of the lid. And also blend it in with that French Toast color in the crease as well. And to clean up the shape some more, I'm going to be using a makeup wipe and cleaning up any fallouts I have, as well as cleaning up the shape on the edge. And now I'm going to use the cream shadow in Bellini. It's this beautiful coppery bronze color. And I'm going to place this on my lid and start blending it with a synthetic brush. With this color, you have to be very careful because once it sets, it is not going to budge. It will stay on all day long. And if you feel like you lost some of that blue color, don't be afraid to add it back in after you have perfected your lid color. Now to help set that cream shadow, I'm taking cinnamon sugar and I'm going to place this on the center of my lid. It was a little bit more warm and orangey than I had expected, but I really thought that it helped bring this whole eye look together. Next, I'm going in with Champagne Toast to really brighten up the inner corner and to blend everything together as well. The shimmery shades seem to have more fallout than I expected, so I'm taking a powder brush and brushing it out of the way. Next, I'm taking the No Filter Concealer. I'm in the number 10 light, and I'm going to use this to really brighten up the under of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, the corners of my mouth, and chin. Now I'm going back in that Brunch Club color and placing it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to be using that dark brown color French toast to really smoke out the lower lash line. To make my eyes pop some more, I'm taking Champagne Toast and placing it on the inner portion of the lower lash line, and it really brings in that sparkly look and brightens up everything. For eyeliner, I'm using Etude House All Day Fix Liquid Liner. How I like to do my wing liner, I like to start in the middle, then do the wing in the outer corner, and then the inner corner, and meet it in the middle. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Foaming Demi Wispies. After placing the glue on the lash and letting it dry a little bit, I look down into the mirror and then put the lash on. I start in the middle, then press down the outer edge, and then the inner corner. Now I'm pressing it with my natural lashes to make sure they blend together. For contouring, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm taking that middle color, the warmer one, and I am really just placing it into the hollows of my cheeks, blending it into my forehead as well as my jawline. For blush, I'm using the color Soulmate from the Zoella Collection. It's this really pretty Barbie pink color, and it's not as pigmented as it looks, so you can be a little bit more heavy-handed and you still won't look like a clown. Next, I have a surprise for you guys. It's my favorite part, the highlighter, but when I opened the pan, it didn't have anything in it, and I have contacted ColourPop since then, and they're sending me a replacement. So since I didn't have a ColourPop highlighter, I'm going in with my Galactic Cream Highlighter, and it is this really pretty sheen. It's not as pungent or in your face. So after this, I am going in with a powder highlighter to make it really pop. For powder highlighter, I'm taking an oldie but goodie, the Jaclyn Hill and Becca collaboration, and I'm using that more frosty shade. As you can see, combined with the cream highlighter, it just makes everything pop. For lips, I'm using the lip kit in the Zoella Collection called Give Us the Gauze, and it comes with a lip pencil and a matte liquid lipstick. I'm going to start off by lining my lips and really bringing out my Cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to start coloring in my lips with the lip pencil to really make sure the liquid lipstick doesn't bleed anywhere. I'm also going to line my lower lip to complete the look to really help define the shape of my lips. The matte liquid lipstick is this gorgeous blue toned red color. It's going to really help make your teeth look whiter, and I'm just going to color in my lips with this.
So this is the final look today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup looks. I have a bunch of products that I just got in the mail, so I have a lot of cool videos coming up, so please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of them. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.